So hello. Right now, I'm just happy because what happened yesterday. I didn't do this challenge. I was doing 100-day public speaking challenge. I couldn't do it yesterday because I was uh, and yesterday was Sunday and I was home and I didn't go anywhere outside. So that's why I didn't able to do that video. But if I want, I can go out and do. But that laziness has killed me yesterday, so that's why I didn't do it yesterday. Today I have come to the mall, and today is all day, but I have come to the mall and just recording the video and gone to the. I made two videos today. I've made of day 35, which is yesterday, and today's data 36, and I've made two videos. Before making the two videos, I was just scared as hell. Like, I've gone to Elements Mall. It's nearby MSR Elements Mall. Like, I couldn't able to do the first video. Like, there were people, but still, but at the same time, like, there is not much crowd in that mall, but still there were people to able to talk in the public. But I couldn't able to do that. I don't know why. I was just scared as hell, literally. I've waited there for literally half an hour. You know, half an hour just in the same floor. I'm just looking at my phone, making myself awkward that I couldn't able to talk in front of people. Like, even though I've tried all the ways, I couldn't able to talk. I was so disappointed and irritated and got angry on myself, etc., etc. But then I came to Bhartiya Mall. Right now in a Bhartiya Mall, you can see. Right now, like, I came here and I just gone to all the floors to talk, to find the people. Is there any people or not? Is there any crowd or not? And obviously there will be a crowd in the malls. So I got a group of people, and before reaching the first group of people, I just roamed at least I just skipped minimum to minimum 50 to 20 group of people, because we are just so scared to talk in front of people. Like, we can just move mountains through our heads, but when it comes to camera, we cannot talk in front of camera. So that really scares me. Like, it definitely puts us in a uncomfortable situations. So, like, I was in that situation, so that's why I couldn't able to talk in front of people. Right now I can able to talk because at this point I don't care. Even now in front of camera, I don't know what I'm talking, but still I want to talk. I'm talking. The main point I want to put this in a video is that all you need is just a push. Like, when I had done the first video, there were four group of people, and they just recorded on my video, and I've done yesterday's day 35 of video, and it was well and good. And after that I have to do the today's video. So I went to the people, another bunch of people, and I've told to record a video. That this group was around some 7 members, I think 6 members, and they recorded me. After talking to the in front of camera, like, they told me good approach, good initiative, etc., etc. Like, they were juniors to me. Like, currently they are in second sem or something. Like, what I'm trying to sell is that, like, after after making a video and after making a conversation with them, I've gone to some random people and I've complimented them, like, good or food, and they felt so happy, because who else will not feel happy if a stranger randomly comment over that your outfit is good, right? So that's what happened. I've gone to them and told that just good, nice outfit, etc., and they were so happy. And I've approached another people, and I've told the same thing. Like, total 3 people I told nice outfit. They were happy. But the point is that all I need is just a push. Like, all you need also is just a push. Like, after doing the first video, I was able to make the second video and as well as compliment 3 people. That even after that, I've just started recording a video. So that's it for the.